Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be walking through how to send a video using Gmail. But before getting started with this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, open your Gmail, then click on compose, and now here you have to give recipient email address and give a subject. And to add a video here, click on this attach icon. So this is the video I'm going to attach, and it will take some time to upload. So here you can see the video has been added. Now click on send, and now if I go to my send box, and here we can see the video. So this was how we can send a video using Gmail. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.